Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're going to quickly show you how to connect the rock breaker. It's a little bit tricky because it's been modified from a 3-ton machine, but it's a great little rock breaker, and we'll show you some tips and tricks about lining it up and connecting it. So let's get into it. This one you need a slightly longer pin, which is this guy right here. No, it's not even in the ballpark. So this pin hasn't been used in a while, so we'll get a little bit of grease. So I think I need to lift it up and straighten it. Maybe it was just the wrong side.
I was going to say, is that on the wrong side now?
No, doesn't matter. These corner clips can be painful sometimes though.
So, Terry was right.
He was right. There we go. Yeah, this has just been greasy hands. And again then we'll just connect the coupling, so I'll turn off the end again. Again, make sure your ball is lined up. And then have to cross them. Make sure they're clean. I have just been filming a video on the auger, so it should be pretty good. And there we go. So that's basically it with this one, but we can't show you a demo of how this works right now. But we did go out to change the coupling on this attachment last week, so we will insert a video here. And then just to disconnect it, you undo these little couplings, and you can, pop it in there or something while you do the other one. Give them a wipe. And then connect them together to keep them clean, which is how easy it is. And you can just disconnect your pins.